I built this n8n workflow to monitor your brand visibility on LLMs. So people do use ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini models and continuously query their issues over there. So you can use this particular workflow whether your brand was actually coming up in the results or not, so that it was direct warm leads that will be delivered from the LLM. So you can improve your SEO, so it will automatically improve your LLM brand visibility. Okay. So firstly, let me just show you the demo first, and after that, I will simply explain how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So let me just test the system live. So I'm going to click on execute workflow right here. Okay. So if everything goes well, we will be receiving a Slack message and I will show you with my phone casting, I mean the output. So nothing so serious. Let's just wait for it for now. Okay. The workflow execution was actually successful. So yeah, this is the Slack message that we actually received. So yeah, this is how you actually track your brand live on the LLMs. So okay, now let me just explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node, from the beginning to the ending. So firstly, we will trigger the workflow every single day at 7 a.m. morning, and we will give the brand information right here. So, and after that, we will be simply generating the prompts that we have to test on these particular, multiple LLMs that we needed. So this particular HTTP node was nothing but the Gemini HTTP node. So we can simply use this to generate prompts for it, and we will parse the output with this particular code node. And after that, we'll actually split the prompts like with this particular node like this. You know, we simply got 15 prompts, and but not every single time we have to monitor these 15 prompts. So for that reason, we can simply use this particular limit node right here. So just for the demo purposes, I simply use it one. Okay. So and after that, we will, use one of the Groq AI model. But for now, I simply use it a random model using Groq. And after that, we can use any of the OpenRouter model with this particular thing. Just have a look. OpenRouter model was also connected, and it was free model just for the demo purposes. And we also connected the Gemini model and simply, and just have a look. This particular tool was common for all the three agents, right? So it will actually provide web search capabilities for the AI agents. So for that reason, I simply use that particular tool. So apart from that, we will use the Gemini to actually rank all these and create a structured average for it. So we will actually analyze the score and calculate the current brand visibility on the whole, you know, keywords and all. And the output will be parsed with this particular, JSON node, and we will be saving the details information into the Google Sheets. So just don't forget to, take a note of these headers right here so that you can simply replicate the particular Google Sheet on your own instance. So after saving it, we will simply aggregate the visibility stats by doing the average. Okay. So after that, we will be simply sometimes if we simply use more than one, then there will be multiple items, right? So we all aggregate them into one single input. So, and after that, we will actually, you know, send a Slack message to the user. So, yeah, this is how the whole thing will actually work, and this is how the data will actually flow from beginning to the ending. So, yeah, that's it for today.